Did you hear that the Bilt got a new card? Yes, they are no longer with Wells Fargo. There is a new Bilt card out there, guys. Pretty cool card here. You guys can see it. I'm loving this card. This is a pretty cool card. It was built to pay your rent and your mortgage. This card used to be under Wells Fargo, but it is no longer under Wells Fargo, which is kind of cool because now they are issued by Column NA. It's a metal card too. It's a metal card. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool card. Anyway, this card was built to pay your rent and your mortgage so you can get cash back on it. Not a great card to run up a bunch of debt on, I'll tell you that, because you want to pay it before you have to pay the interest on it. But you can earn some pretty good reward points from this card by paying your rent and paying your mortgage. So that's why I like it. And the cool thing about this card now is they're giving higher limit approvals than they were with Wells Fargo. With Wells Fargo, they only gave me, I think, $8,000 or $9,000 limit. I was super disappointed. But with this new card that is issued by Column, they are giving higher limits. I got $18,000 on this card, so twice as much as I got from Wells Fargo. And the cool thing is, it was no hard credit pull for me. Now, I was a Bilt card member prior to this with Wells Fargo, but now Wells Fargo has transferred it to one of their other Wells Fargo accounts. I want to say it was the Wells Fargo signature card. So this is the card that they transferred the Bilt to, and nothing special about it, honestly. The only reason why I even got a Wells Fargo card was because of the Bilt card, and then I realized that they had the Reflect card, which had 21 months of 0% interest, so I got that card as well, and both of them were not crazy high limits. The Reflect card, I want to say they gave me like $4,000. I've been using it heavily so I can get a credit limit increase, but they don't really give out high limits, and I have high limits that are mine, so there's no reason why I shouldn't have gotten higher. And then this was the old Bilt card, so this is their autograph card. Signature card, so signature cards are always decent, but this card, when they finally reached out to me and said, hey, you can apply for the new card now, no hard credit pull for me. Wells Fargo is going to be from Experian. So just putting some game out there, guys. Add 2 to 3 high limit credit trade lines to your credit profile before you apply. Authorized users, credit community members get discounts on trade lines. So if you need trade lines, you know where to go. Right here, baby, right here, because I'll make sure guaranteed to post, and you guys get the best deal, especially inside the credit community, where you guys get $100 discount off each trade line. We have personal trade lines, business trade lines, and if you're not quite ready for funding, we're going to help you get funding ready. So I'll see you there. Comment the word community, and I can't wait to see you inside. See you there.